Hello guys, welcome back to another wonderful and powerful spiritual recipe. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make anyone say yes to your request. Okay, if you have uncle, if you have an auntie who are financially okay, who are supposed to help you but they are not helping you, and you want them to help you, want to get favor from them, this recipe is for you. Okay, if you want them to say yes to your request anytime you ask them for help, this recipe is for you. Okay, if you have been asking them for help in the past and they have not been helping you, they have not been granting your requests, this recipe is something that you should take serious. If you are looking for a job, if you are applying for a visa, anything that you want to do and you want to get yes as an answer, this video is something that you should take serious, because I'm going to share with you how you can do it yourself. Okay, and you will start getting yes as an answer from anyone at all. Okay, once you do it properly the way I will direct you in this video, you are going to get yes as an answer. Okay, and if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gideon. I share spiritual tip here in this channel. Please do well to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up if you like my teaching, and I promise you, you are not going to regret subscribing to this channel. Okay, so if you want to get yes as an answer anytime you request something from anyone, there are materials that you need to have. These materials are powerful. Okay, you need to get them. Okay, there are a lot of people who are, surrounded by rich men that is supposed to help their life, who are surrounded by wealthy people that is supposed to help their life, but these people are not helping you. Even when you ask them for help, even when you ask them for assistance, they will not help you. They will not say yes to you. Rather, they will turn you down. Okay, this recipe is something that you should practice, and you will see that there will be a positive change in your life. Anytime you ask them something, once you finish doing this recipe, they will say yes to your request. Okay, life is spiritual, and it is spiritual that control the physical. I often tell people about this. Okay, so for you to do this, for you to have them say yes to your request, you need to get these materials I'm going to show you in this video. Number one, you need to get me an olive oil, or you can call it Goya oil. Okay, this is the oil I'm talking about. Okay, you need to get Goya olive oil. Okay, when you get Goya olive oil, you get alligator pepper. Okay, you get alligator pepper. Now when you get this alligator pepper, first thing that you should do is to open it from your behind. That is the first thing to do. Open it from your back, then bring it to your front. Now when you bring it to your front, pick just 2 seed from the alligator pepper. Okay, pick 2 seed from the alligator pepper and put it inside the Goya oil. Okay, put it inside the Goya oil. Okay, and say your request on that Goya olive oil. What you want to use that olive oil to do. Okay, what you want to use the oil to do. Now you are going to shake the oil very well. After shaking it, you are going to keep it somewhere safe for 7 days. Okay, keep it somewhere safe for 7 days. Now after that 7 days, you can now start using the oil. You can be applying it on your body anytime you want to go for a job interview, anytime you are applying for a visa, anytime you want to ask anybody for something. Okay, you can apply it on your body, or you can put it inside your cream. Okay, and be applying it on your body. Once you have finished saying your request, once you have finished making your prayer and leave it for 7 days, that is when you can start applying it on your body. Okay, you will see that your request will be granted. They will say yes to you. Now another way you can do this is by getting this leaf. Okay, this is called miracle leaf. Okay, now this leaf, how you use it is you need to get it in the morning. Before you talk to anybody in the morning, just go and look for this leaf, miracle leaf. Okay, now when you get this leaf, you're going to just pluck out one like this, and when you pluck out one like this, you're going to speak to the leaf. You're going to say your request to the leaf. Okay, and I want to ask this person for a favor. I want to ask my uncle to do this for me. You're going to say what you want to do with the leaf. Okay, that as I'm going to ask him, he or she will never say no to me, that they will say yes to my request and they will grant it. Okay, you say your mind, you say your request, you make a prayer with the leaf. After making that prayer with the leaf, get the alligator pepper. Okay, get the alligator pepper, put the 2 seed of the alligator pepper. Let me show you. Okay, put the 2 seed of the alligator pepper on that leaf like this. Okay, put the 2 seed of alligator pepper on that leaf like this and fold it. Okay, once you finish folding it, then put it in your mouth and chew it. Okay, chew it like this. Now once you have finished chewing the leaf like this, once you have finished chewing the leaf like this, you can now go to them and ask them for anything. Okay, you can now go to them and ask them for anything. They are going to grant it for you. Okay, sorry about my face, the leaf is somehow bitter, so make sure that you know this. Okay, it's somehow bitter. Now after asking them for anything, for favor, for anything that you want to ask them for, they are going to grant it for you. Okay, they are going to grant it for you. So that is what you can do to make anyone say yes to your request. Okay, once you finish doing this, they are going to say yes to your request. Do this assignment if you want anyone, your uncle, your auntie, anyone of anybody at all, to say yes to your request. They're going to do it once you have done this. Okay, but make sure that you use that leaf in the morning, chew it, okay, and ask them for anything that you want to ask them for. They are going to grant it for you. Okay, so here I'll be wrapping it up in this video today. If you have any question that you want to ask regarding this teaching, if you do not understand any part of the video, use the comment section. I will explain it more better for you. And please do well to subscribe to the channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.